How to remove an email address on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application on your device again. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon, and as you do that, tap on See More in Account Center. As you tap on it, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Here you can see the option of contact information. So just tap on contact information, and here just tap on the email ID and then tap on delete email. So as you tap on delete email, just tap on delete again. And here you just have to enter the code that has been sent to the email that you have associated. And after you verify yourself, you can tap on continue, and then you'll be able to remove your email address on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.